today's video I'm going to show you how to load film into the Canon Sure Shot 105 zoom. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is hit the open latch, which is just this button right here. It says open. Push it down all the way. It should pop right open. Take your film. I have the Kodak 400 Ultra Max. Once you have your film open, you're just going to it should look like this. Once you've inserted it, you should be able to see where it says Kodak. You should be able to see where it says Kodak 436 exposures. Right there, it's very tiny. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to pull the film slightly out, and then you're just going to stick it in right there. Making sure that this is laying down flat, and the film should align perfectly. Don't worry about this ruining your film. It won't. It just is making sure that it's aligned perfectly, and then you're going to close the camera. And that was the sound of the film loading into your camera, and should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching.